So, hello everybody, we're here at an event here in Canton, Texas, and I have Belladonna. Did I say that correctly?
Yes.
Okay, and have you guys ever seen the pro hair ties before?
No.
You've never tried one before?
Never.
Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to have her do is just go ahead and put this in your hair, and then what we're going to do is show you guys how to size it for her hair, and then we'll get her feedback on what she thinks of the clasp and see what she thinks. So just wrap it twice. Good. Okay, and then turn to the camera. Let's see. So we can see. Let me see. So it's actually pretty secure. I would say it's a little bit loose, but I don't think I would make it any tighter. Because if she wore it like that, how does it feel in your hair? Does it feel
like
secure?
It doesn't feel like normally when I just wrap it twice, it like falls out.
Right. It feels a little bit loose, right?
Yeah, but it's staying in.
Yeah, exactly. Which
normally
is
it doesn't.
Normally they just slip out.
Yeah,
you have pretty thick hair and it's pretty heavy. So then what you want to do to take it out, as opposed to ripping that out, just go ahead and pinch this until you find that piece, and then just lift it up at an angle and let it fall out. And it's okay if it takes you a second to find it. Just kind of pinch the side.
Found it. And then oh,
there you go.
That's a lot easier than like yank. Because normally I have to cut them out of my hair. This is a lot easier.
Yeah, and then also if it was a little bit loose, we could size it. And you're saying, what are the main problems you usually have with hair ties? Is they fall out, or? Yeah,
they fall out, and if I have to take them out, they rip chunks out of my hair.
Right. Okay, awesome. So if you were to recommend it, would you recommend this for like other kids to try out?
Definitely,
for like thicker hair or thinner hair? Okay, cool, awesome. Well, appreciate it, and thank you for trying it out.
No problem. Sweet.